Okay, I'm going to order a new exhaust for the K1600GT. K1600GT. I want the carbon fibre one. That one, yep. Okay, add the basket. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be fitting the new carbon fibre look GPR exhaust system to the K1600GT. And we'll see what it looks like and we'll hear what it sounds like as well. Lily, what are you doing? I'm saying hello. My cat's saying hello. Say hello. Let's go and do the exhaust. Okay, so this is what it looks like now with the new exhaust on, and oh, it looks so much better than the standard. It sounds amazing as well. It's so much deeper than the other one. It sounded more like tinny, but with two of them as well, sounds amazing. Actually sounds better in person than through the video, but anyway, really good. Thanks for watching.